Ginger is a root spice that has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. It contains a number of bioactive compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can provide various health benefits. Here are some of the most well-known health benefits of ginger. Reducing nausea. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting, particularly in pregnant women and people undergoing chemotherapy. Relieving pain and inflammation. Ginger can help reduce inflammation and pain in conditions such as osteoarthritis and menstrual pain. Improving digestion. Ginger can stimulate digestion and reduce bloating, constipation and other digestive problems. Lowering cholesterol. Studies have shown that ginger can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Boosting the immune system. Ginger has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections and boost the immune system. There are many different ways to use ginger to reap its health benefits. Some popular ways include drinking ginger tea. Simply steep sliced or grated ginger in hot water to make a refreshing and healthy tea. Adding ginger to food. Fresh or dried ginger can be added to stir-fries, soups, and curries to add flavor and health benefits. Taking ginger supplements. Ginger supplements are available in capsule form and can be taken daily to help reduce inflammation and pain. Using ginger essential oil. Ginger essential oil can be used in aromatherapy or diluted with a carrier oil and applied topically to help reduce pain and inflammation. However, it is important to note that ginger may interact with certain medications, so it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating ginger into your diet or supplement routine. If this video is helpful, please share, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.